Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting adventure planned as we explore the enchanting Dutch countryside. We're heading to Zaanse Schans and Zaandam, two picturesque destinations near Amsterdam that offer a glimpse into the Netherlands' rich history and stunning landscapes. So grab your cameras and let's dive into this unforgettable journey.
Zaanse Schans. Zaanse Schans is just a little north from Amsterdam, so it's quite convenient to get there. You have an option of from Amsterdam Central to take the train or take a bus. The bus takes longer because it has a number of stops, but it brings you right in front of the actual Zaanse Schans. But we took the train mostly because we had an Amsterdam regional ticket. So if you have one of those tickets, the trains to Zaanse Schans is actually included from Amsterdam Central, and we also had a rail runner for Renzo. We could take the bus, but the rail runner that Renzo had for the kids ticket only is for the trains. So we decided to take the train, which is actually quite good, because the train, while it took longer, passes through a bridge. So you, from the train station, go out, walk straight, take a left, and just to the right is a bridge. And if you cross that bridge, it's actually a very good view of the windmills from there. So that's why we took a bit longer to get there. But yeah, it was a pleasant walk. It didn't really feel like 15 minutes, but it was a good walk to get to Zaanse Schans. And once there's quite a number of different things to do.
They had this, we went to this area there, they had a play area made of wooden, it's a wooden outdoor play structure. And it was like a little house with their own pots and pans, a little window where the kids were playing pretend that was a cafe. So a similar thing at home, and you can go around. It was actually just by the entrance, but we spent actually quite a lot of time just even before we got into the actual main area, because the kids already like playing there. Then we went to go to the main area, and they had a clog making demonstration. They used a machine that just cut through the wood into a shape of their wooden shoe, and kids watched that. And Isla also tried on, Isla and Renzo actually tried on the clouds as well. It's actually very cute. They had it for kids too.
Also, don't miss the chance to savor some authentic Dutch treats while in Zaanse Schans. We went to restaurant De Kraai, and if you are there, I would recommend trying out the different pancakes that they have. It's really more like crepes rather than pancakes, and there are options for a sweeter, savory versions. The kids really loved the pancakes, which was a plus from the restaurant, which of course was a big plus for us.
Apart from that, Renzo and I actually went inside one of the windmills. One consideration though is that the stairs it's stairs. If you want to go up the windmill, you're going to be climbing stairs that are a bit quite steep. So you do need to take that in consideration, especially if you have mobility issues. But having said that, it's very interesting inside. You can see how it actually works. All wooden, of course. Not the easiest place to get up, but Renzo had a good time. And you do need to queue going up and going down. It will depend on the fastest or the slowest person there on how much time it takes you to get up there.
If you go here, there's like little windmills, and you can go inside one of the windmills. And there's some souvenirs that you can get in the windmill. Yeah.
Did you like going up the stairs? Is it very steep?
Yeah, and the stairs are like very steep. The windmill's very high, so
Do you like the top of the windmill going up there?
Yeah. So much. I like the windmill.
Overall, Zaanse Schans is not only a place of historical significance, but also a living museum that immerses you in the rich cultural heritage of the Netherlands. It's a perfect destination to experience traditional Dutch life, learn about the country's industrial past, and appreciate the beauty of the countryside. If you are visiting Zaanse Schans and have a bit more time, you can drop by Zaandam on the way back to Amsterdam. One of the standout features of Zaandam is its quite unique architecture. The city center boasts a mix of traditional Dutch houses and modern structures, creating this eclectic blend of old and new. One of the most famous architectural attractions in Zaandam is the Intel Hotel. It's known for its distinctive facade made up of stacked traditional Dutch houses. It's definitely a must-see and a favorite spot for photography enthusiasts. And what is really good about it is that it's just a few steps outside of the train station. Zaandam offers a variety of shopping options with both local and international brands represented. The city center features pedestrian-friendly streets lined with shops, boutiques, and department stores offering fashion, home decor, electronics, and much more. You'll also find a range of cafes, restaurants, and bars, perfect for enjoying a meal or grabbing a drink during your visit. And that wraps up our vlog for visiting Zaanse Schans and Zaandam. Can't wait to take you along on this journey as we explore the windmills, immerse ourselves in Dutch traditions, and soak up the dynamic atmosphere of Zaandam. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel vlogs. Stay tuned for our next adventure.